Hi children, this is Swarnadeepa. In this video, we are going to learn our new chapter, Algebra. So last term we learned some concept in algebra, but in this term we are going to learn exponents and powers. Okay, I have written one number. Shall we say this number in words? Right, so for that you should know place value. Okay, now I'm counting this number using place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. This one's place value is lakh. So we can say this as 1 lakh. Am I correct? So for example, if I am adding so many zeros, how can we say this in words? Shall we try it? So how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I have 14 zeros, so I can write this number as 1 into 10 to the power 14. I think you might have come across these power numbers. So now we are going to learn these numbers, that is exponents and powers. Okay, so you for counting and for writing in this pattern, we should know what are exponents and powers. Shall we learn it now? We can write large numbers in simplified form. For example, I am taking 16 now. So we can split this 16 as 2 into 8. Right, further I can split this 8 as 2 into 4. Am I correct? So again I am splitting this 4 as 2 into 2. Right, so how many 2's I have? I have 4 2's, so I can write this as 2 power 4. Usually for exponents, we will be writing the base number little bit larger than the power number. Okay, so we can say this 2 as our base. This is the base. Okay, and this 4 is known as exponent or power or index. Okay, we can call this 4 as exponent, power or index. Is it clear? So we can read this number as 2 to the power 4 or simply 2 power 4. Okay, 2 raised to the power 4 or 2 to the power 4, or we can say it as 2 power 4. This method of writing the numbers is known as exponents. Is it clear? So we can say this number as exponent. Okay, now we are going to learn exponent form. Okay, numbers in exponent form. So we are going to learn numbers in exponent form. So here, if I have a power 0, so anything power 0 is 1. This is a very important fact. You should know that if any number has the power 0 means its value is 1. So a power 1 is nothing but a. Am I correct? A power 2, we can write it as a into a. Right, 2 times a. Likewise, a cube is equal to a into a. So a power n. Okay, the number of times is n times. So a into etc. up to n times. That is a power n. For a negative number, if for example I have taken minus 1, okay, so if I have minus 1 power 1 means that is minus 1, right? So minus 1 power 2 means, that means minus 1 into minus 1. So if we are multiplying 1 into 1 means the value will be 1, and we have two negative sign, that is same sign, so plus. Okay, likewise if we have minus 1 to the power 3 means minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So minus 1 and minus 1 will become as plus 1. Plus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. So So by consolidating this result, we can say that if we have a negative number to the power odd number means it will be, the answer will be in negative sign. Okay. If the negative number has even power means that number will be positive. Is it clear? So minus 1 power 1, odd number power means the symbol will be negative, and even number power means the symbol will be positive. Is it clear? Now we are going to learn exponents with the same base and different powers, as well as exponents with different base and same powers. We are going to learn some rules for this type and also for this type. Here I have written a power n, a power m, a power n, right? So here the base is a and here also the base is a. So base are same. And here the powers are different. Here the power is m and here the power is n. So different powers. Likewise here exponents with the different base and same power. Here the base are different. Here the base is a and base is b, and the powers are same. So we are going to learn some important rules, okay, according to the powers and base. If we have same base and different power, we have 3 rules. That is multiplication rule, that is product rule. Multiplication is nothing but product. So product rule, okay. So for division, quotient rule, and we have power rule. Okay, so we are going to learn these 3 rules for exponents with the same base and different powers. And for different base and same power also we are going to see some of the rules. First let us see these 3 rules. Now we are going to see one example for each rule. So now I am taking m as a as 3, m as 3 and n as 2. So 3 power 3 into 3 power 2. Shall we do it? See here the base are same and the powers are different. So if the power base are same means we can write commonly 3 and we have to add. Since we have multiplication symbol here, I am going to add the powers. So 3 power 3 plus 2 is 5. That is your answer. So same I am taking here 3 power 3 divided by 3 power 2. Okay. So commonly I can write 3. A is 3. So I have written 3 here. So here I have to subtract. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So 3 power 1 which is nothing but 3. Now 3 power 3 the whole power 2. So using power rule we can write 3 power 3 into 2. So 3 power 3 2s are 6. So that is your answer. Exponents with different base and same power. Okay, different base and same power we have 2 rules, that is multiplication rule and division rule. So for multiplication rule a power m into b power m. So here the powers are same and base are different. So if we have power same powers, numbers same power with exponents with the same power and different exponents, that is different base means we can use this property. That is a power m into b power m equal to a into b to the power m, whole power m. Common power m எழுதிக்கலாம். Okay. So for example 3 power 2 into 2 power 2. Here I have different base and same power. So I can write 3 into 2 to the power 2. Okay. So 3 2s are 6 to the power 2. That is your answer. See for example division rule. If we have a power m divided by b power m. Here the powers are same and base are different. So we can commonly write the power. A by b the whole power m. So for example 3 power 2 divided by 2 power 2 is equal to 3 by 2 the whole power 2. Okay, commonly we can write the power. So this is your rules. That is 2 rules. These are the 2 rules for exponents with the different base and same power. I am going to explain you example 3.1. The question is express 729 in exponential form. So we have to write this number 729 in exponential form. Okay, now I am going to use this method. Okay, now I am going to split this 729. Okay, whenever we are doing this long division method, we should use appropriate number for finding the factor. Okay, since this is an odd number, we can't try it with 2. Okay, so here shall we try it with 3? So I am going to use 3 table. So 1 3s are 3, sorry 2 3s are 6, balance 1, and this will go here as 12. 4 3s are 12. Here I have 9, so 3. Okay, again shall we try 3? Okay, 3, 24, how many times? 6 3s are 18, 7 3s are 21, 8 3s are 24. Okay, 1 3s are 3, again 3. Okay, how many times? 2 3s are 6, 21, 7 3s are 21. Again 27 will come in 3 table. So, how many times? 9 3s are 27. Again 3. How many times? 3 times. Again 3. We can write it as 1. So, I can write this 729 as how many 3s? So, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 6 3. So, we can write this in exponential form as 3 power 6. 3 to the power 6. So, this is your answer. So, next example 3.3. Find the value of 13 power 2, minus 7 power 2 and minus 4 power 3. So, the first option is 13 power 2. So, what is 13 power 2? 13 into 13. So, we have to multiply 13 into 13. So, the answer is 169. Next question, minus 7 power 2. So, minus 7 into minus 7. So, 7 7s are 49 and we have same sign, so plus. Already I told you that if we have negative number to the power, that is even number, means the power is even, means the answer should be positive. Next, minus 4 power 3. So, minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. So, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So, minus into minus plus, plus into minus is again minus. So, here the power is odd. So, the answer is in negative. Example 3.7. Okay, we have to simplify 5 power 7 into 5 power 3. So, after seeing these two exponents, we can classify this as it has same base and different powers. Okay, and we have multiplication symbol. So, using power, that is using product rule, we can write a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Am I correct? So, using this rule, I am going to solve this. So, 5 power 7 into 5 power 3 is equal to 5 power 7 plus 3. So, the answer is 5 power 10. Okay. So, next we have two exponents, okay, with division symbol, and these two exponents have same base and different powers. So, using quotient rule, we can say that a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Okay. So, here 10 power 8 divided by 10 power 6 is equal to 10 power 8 minus 6. So, 10 power 2 is your answer. So, example 3.9, first option, 8 power 3 to the power 4. So, using the power rule, a power m to the power n is equal to a power m into n. Am I correct? So, using this rule, 8 power 3 to the power 4 is equal to 8 power 3 into 4. So 8 power 3 fours are 12. This is your answer. So example 3.10, that is simplify using exponential laws. Okay, so here we have 7 power 6 into 3 power 6. Okay, here the base are different and the powers are same. So here also the base are different and powers are same. So we know the rule. Okay, for multiplication rule, we know that a power m into b power m is equal to a into b to the power m. Am I correct? So using this law, I am going to simplify this. 7 power 6 into 3 power 6 is equal to 7 into 3 to the power 6. 7 3s are 21. 21 to the power 6 is your answer. So this third option, 72 power 5 divided by 9 power 5. Here the powers are same and the base are different. So we can use the division law for this. So a power m divided by b power m is equal to b power m is equal to a by b the whole power m. Okay, likewise 72 power 5 divided by 9 power 5 is equal to 72 by 9 the whole power 5. We can cancel this. 1 9s are 9, 8 9s are 72. So 8 power 5 is your answer. In this video, I explained you the introduction about exponents and powers and some rules for exponential numbers with the same base and different power, and also different base, same powers. Some of the rules we learnt, right? So using that rule, we have seen some of the example problems also. So in my next video, I am going to explain you exercise 3.1. So don't miss that video. If you like my video, please click like button. If you didn't subscribe my channel till now means, please do subscribe my channel for more videos. Also, share it with your friends. Thank you.